Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review between these two banking system, which is Bank of America and Chase. So let's dive into it. Talking about the Bank of America and Chase, both offer a solid checking account, but they shine in different areas. The Bank of America makes it easier to waive with the $12 monthly fee with just $250 in a direct deposit or $1,500 balance. And its preferred reward program has on long-term peak like cashback boost and a loan discount for loyal customers. Chase, on the other hand, is more convenient with a huge branch and ATMs network plus frequent mobile bonuses of up to $600, making it appealing if you want easy access and upfront reward. So talking about the downside with Bank of America is that it requires a $100 opening deposit and has a fewer branch than Chase. Meanwhile, Chase requires a higher $500 deposit and to avoid fee and doesn't offer a loyalty reward like a Bank of America does. So if you want a big access and sign up bonuses, Chase is the better choice. But if you prefer a long-term benefit and reward, Bank of America wins in the category. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn notification button and subscribe for more videos.